You saw the title, and yes, I promise you, you really do not need Canva anymore. You clicked on this video because you are sick and tired of hitting a paywall every single time you try to use a good feature. We have been tricked into thinking that if we want the good stuff, like one-click background removal or AI magic, we absolutely have to pay a massive tech company a monthly fee. You don't. I'm about to show you 5 totally free alternatives that do all the heavy lifting for $0, even if you are a complete beginner with zero design experience. Let's start with the ultimate easy button, Microsoft Designer. Think about how many hours you've wasted mindlessly scrolling through overused Canva templates, just trying to find one that fits. While you're losing that time, other people are doing this. If you know how to type a simple sentence, you know how to use this. You just tell the AI what you want in plain English, and it builds the entire picture, the text, and the layout for you in seconds. Remember those premium AI features Canva holds hostage behind a paywall? Designer gives them to you completely for free. But what if you actually prefer starting with pre-made templates? Then you need to see Adobe Express. I know, the word Adobe usually makes people think of expensive, highly complicated software that takes months to learn. But this is their secret, incredibly simple, free version. They have thousands of ready-to-use templates that actually look fresh and professional, not like those generic posts you see everywhere else online. Plus, their text effects are amazing. You can make your words stand out instantly with just one click. And yes, it's completely free. Now, if you hate being locked into tiny, single-page designs, this next free tool fixes Canva's biggest restriction. It's called Figma. Canva forces you to work on one little page at a time. Figma is like having a giant, endless whiteboard right on your screen. You can drop all your pictures, text, and ideas in one place and just freely move things around. It's incredibly popular for beginners and pros alike because of its Community tab. People share thousands of free templates, graphics, and tools that you can copy to your own whiteboard with a single click. It gives you total freedom without paying a dime. Next up, let's talk about fixing your actual photos. You know the drill. You snap a great picture on your phone, beam it over to your computer to edit, but realize the lighting is completely off, or there's some trash in the background. Canva is honestly pretty limited when it comes to fixing real photos unless you pay up. Pixlr runs right in your web browser, and it lets you completely fix, brighten, or erase things in your photos seamlessly. It is exactly like having the power of expensive photo software, but it is completely free and totally beginner-friendly. And finally, if you just want a tool that looks and feels exactly as easy as Canva, but never locks basic features behind a paywall, you need the ultimate Canva killer, studio.design. It has beautiful, modern templates that guarantee your work will look unique and stand out from the crowd. Best of all, when you are finally done and ready to save your work, they don't block you from getting the highest quality version. Everything is crisp, clean, and ready to post. No watermarks, no hidden fees. So, the big question is, are you finally going to cancel your Canva subscription? Or are you just too used to it to switch? Let me know down in the comments. And now that you have all these free design tools, you need to know how to actually make amazing videos with them. Click this video right here on the screen, and I'll show you the exact step-by-step process. See you there!